What's up guys, my name is Rocket Mode. Today with me I have the Sapphire Radeon HD 6990, the highest card on the market, dual GPU, graphic card, 4GB, full DirectX 11 AMD Infinity. If you're using 24 or 23-inch monitor, you don't need an active display port to active your third monitor. PCI 2.1, 1080 means 9050 res, AMD H3D. Display port version 2.1, that means they already upgrade their display port to push Infinity. HDMI speed 7.1 surround audio, Super GDR5 as well. Nothing new on the box. Here and you see here guys, the most important thing is 750 watt or greater power supply with 250 watt 8-pin PCI Express power connector recommended. Okay guys, if you're running Crossfire on this thing, you will need 1K power supply above. Okay, to me I need 12,000 watt if I'm running Crossfire on this. Very important this guys, the power. Don't simply plug and play guys. Okay, straight go into the unboxing. Here as usual, they are not come with color because they are type of ROH green type. No color on the box, but still Sapphire give a product. Okay. The card, we go to the accessory first. As usual, CD installation and the case tag. For this card, you need to download from the internet. The special driver ATI already provide. This one is an old one. There's a voucher. 1, 2, 3, 4. There's 4 mini display to HDMI. Display port to mini. Display port to mini. And HDMI to mini. There's 4 here. And I'm quite happy with the graphic card right now. They are giving us with the long link Crossfire, so you can get between the Crossfire. Later I will show you. Okay. And the manual. What's this? If you are setting up Infinity or 5 or 6 monitor, you have to read this, brother. You're gonna need this for your guide, brother. Respect. Okay, and okay, that's all guys in the box. So we go to the goodies. We call it the goodies. Okay, this guys. Make sure before you touch this, you ground yourself. Alright, this is not a cheap hardware. This is very expensive, man. Alright, ground yourself, guys. Alright. Okay, without wasting time, as usual, like Nvidia, they always tell you to wait for the card to cool down. It will burn your hand. But ATI, no, don't worry, guys. It's safe. Alright, here it is. You can see there, the one fan going to push first here and back. If your casing have a fan pulling and will decompress the hot air inside, and your car will be very hot. Alright guys, back and front, push pull. You can see that. Here is the dual GPU. Like I said just now, you guys, when you are using a fan cooler, make sure your in front case doesn't restrict the hot air when they are and heavy loading. Alright guys, if you restrict the air or your case push in the air and the hot air will struggle inside there, and your GPU will get hotter. But no worry guys, if you already think about that, they won't get mad like Nvidia. See from behind, there you go. See behindnya, 2 gig dual GPU. Alright, dual GPU, not dual card guys. Okay, this is the what you call it, the high voltage, high overclocking. See, the default is number 2. If you want to run the higher voltage, you just push it to number 1. That's all the higher voltage. Number 2 is default. Okay guys, I've been watching and everyone was asking about which one is the default. Okay, make sure that if you running this card on Crossfire, you need a power supply minimum 1K guys, 1000 watt. Okay, see here. Okay. Okay guys, so beside I have beside me I have the Rampage 3, the black edition. You can see here. So here guys, I will slot that. Okay, I'm using the 920 i7, and the RAM. That's the RAM, 6GB, triple channel. Still waiting for my GPU water block not arrive yet, but okay, I just do some how this look like when you are plugging a Crossfire 6990 4GB and the Thunderbolt card. Okay, let's take this guy. Okay guys, the first card going to be here. If you can see guys, let's zoom up a bit. Okay, the first I'm going to put on the first PCI slot. Okay, you already there, right? And the Thunderbolt will be either the one actually there's two PCI 1X here, either down or top. I will choose the bottom one. Let's see how it goes, guys. And one more card. Bam, guys. Alright. Let's see here, guys. Check it. Look carefully. See? Make sure you get between these both, and this part is the most important thing is the link, guys. The link is the most important thing to me. Normally they come with a short. Now they come with the long ones. See, guys. Check it out, guys. This is how it looks. But everything will be water cool. Don't worry, I'll be water cooling. On the back, you see guys, on the back. See, on the back. Top is a Intel Extreme fan. On the side and from the front. Okay guys, I hope you enjoy the video. Please drop a comment or you want me to bench on anything for me. Meanwhile I waiting for my water block to arrive. On the side, here it is. Thank you for watching. My name is Rocket Mode signing out. Thanks to No Rush Enterprise, Sarizawa. Stay tuned and drop your comment. Any benchmark that you like to see, just drop your comment. I will test it on you. Thank you guys, and see you brothers.